college student. Before Premier, I was a healthcare revenue cycle consultant.
I was in pest control, killing bugs.
Before Premier, I was a finance manager at Bob Howard Auto Mall.
Before working at Premier, I studied economics at Colorado College.
Before I was with Premier, I was a door guy, a forklift driver, and I bottled 90 shilling.
I played professional hockey in Europe for 3 seasons.
Before Premier Roofing, I was a ski bum and I worked in retail.
Before this, I was pastoring a church in North Dakota.
Before Premier, I was an English teacher.
I was a student at Colorado State University.
Before Premier Roofing, I was a professional snowboard coach.
Before Premier, I ran a printing and promotional products business.
Before Premier, I worked for ABC News.
Before Premier Roofing, I was a law school student at the University of Denver and also a fly fishing guide.
Before Premier, I was a high school teacher at St. Mary's High School in Colorado Springs.
What did I do before Premier? Hello, my name is Ben McFerrin, and before Premier, I was working for another restoration company thinking that I was earning great money.